Okay, so I'm actually terrified because these are literally like my favorite shoes and I'm gonna destroy them right now. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time.
What is going on, guys? It is your boy Harry Petru, UK's biggest hypebeast, back again with another Sunday banger. And yes, I'm saying a Sunday banger because from now on I'm going to be posting every single Sunday. Okay, so this is awkward because today is clearly not Sunday, but from now on I will be posting every single Sunday at 6 p.m. This last Sunday where I was supposed to upload, my hard drive fell out as I was finishing my video, and basically I've had to re-edit nearly all of this video because there was no backups on that particular laptop. It was an absolute nightmare. But anyways, back to the video. Videos every single Sunday from 6 p.m. from now on. Back to the video. Sunday at 6 p.m. So just so you guys kind of know when I'm posting, you guys can look forward to my videos and know when they are coming. And if I do post more than just on a Sunday, it will be like a bonus. If it's a 6 Supreme drop, then maybe I'll go to Supreme on a Thursday and post the video up for you guys on a Thursday. Or if I have a really cool idea and I want to do it straight away, then I'll just post it whenever I can. But you will definitely be seeing an upload from me every single Sunday at 6 p.m. Guys, if you didn't know, I am doing a giveaway right now with Stadium Goods, and all you had to do was subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to Stadium Goods, follow me on Instagram, and follow them on Instagram. And basically, we are giving 2 pairs, not 1, but 2 pairs of Travis Scott Jordans at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to find out if you have one. And talking about Travis Scott's, we are going to be doing an absolute madness today that I just never thought I would do it, but I thought it might be hilarious for you guys to see me completely destroying a pair of Travis Scott Jordans. And that is what we are going to be doing today. I'm going to be going to a park full of mud, jumping in the mud, putting loads of just complete crap on these shoes, and then trying my best to clean it off and get them back looking brand new. They're literally reselling right now for way over $1,000, like nearly up to £1,000 right now, which is like $1,400. The price has just gone crazy on these. But guys, before we go and destroy those Travis Scotts, I've just got a couple of Supreme packages right here. Box. So the first thing that we have here is a pair of these basketball shorts that released, which are complete fire. Like, I was so happy to see another pair of basketball shorts released from Supreme in a really nice, simple black, red, and white colorway. And they've got like these crazy, like, what does it say right here? That doesn't even say Supreme. Okay, so it says Supreme down there, but then what does it say there? Okay, it does say Supreme. I can't read. It doesn't even say Supreme. It says Supreme on both sides with these like little gems in, which I thought was fire. And the next package is... Okay, so Supreme released like this waterproof kind of like bottle. Oh no, it's a dry bag. So when you're on the water, you can basically go ahead and put anything in this bag and it will be safe. So this is a dry bag. It was pretty expensive for what it is, but I thought, why not go ahead and use it? Sometimes I go in the water when I'm on holiday and stuff, so this might actually be useful. Pretty decent, but not gonna lie, kind of on the expensive side. But something that's not on the expensive side, this keychain actually shoots water. Guys, what you have been waiting for, what you clicked on this video to see, is me destroying a pair of Travis Scott Jordans. So let's do it.
I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time.
Maybe just don't like actually stand like this.
No, it's the life. Obviously, it's...
Why are you laughing? Okay, so we're in a local supermarket right now, and basically we have come here to try and find some ingredients to completely destroy these shoes.
Oh my word. There's more sauces than any human being has ever noticed. Look. Uh-oh, let's go.
I'm not sure if you're trying to embarrass me on my vlog. This is the first time I've asked my dad, can you please record something for me? And it's honestly going horribly wrong. It's sweet barbecue sauce. We're gonna go with barbecue sauce and some yellow French mustard since 1904. Spaghetti plus sausages. Alright, we're gonna go for alphabeti. Do they have a garden section? got the compost, lads.
Or
Compost.
how do we do
With
this?
barbecue sauce and stuff.
Yes, it is. This one.
And some mustard we put in the compost.
Compost.
Honestly, try when you get home.
I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time.
Okay, so that was a shot of the Travis Scotts when they are clean. Now, we've got a bag of compost. We have got some barbecue sauce, some mustard, and spaghetti hoops.
Let's write Travis Scott in spaghetti hoops on the shoes and then squish them in.
Okay. Spaghetti hoops, some water to just really put it all over them. Okay, so I'm actually terrified because these are literally like my favorite shoes and I'm gonna destroy them right now. Are you ready?
1, 2, 3, bang.
Oh no.
Yeah,
What?
go cover it till it's full.
And then just put water all over it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Who likes barbecue sauce? Oh, I actually cannot believe I'm doing this right now. Oh, whose idea was this?
Your idea.
Oh, right. Some mustard? Who likes French mustard?
You're not well.
I don't think my shoes are well.
Down the sides.
A double whammy. Some yellow. Change up the colorway. Holy moly of Lord. Guys, next ingredients. Some alphabeti
Spaghetti.
Heinz spaghetti. Nice.
Down the side.
Nice.
Right.
Okay, can we please look at my shoes? My $1,200 Travis Scott Jordans. Do you like my new shoes? They're really nice, aren't they?
We're filming a video.
So I'm destroying a pair of these shoes, and then I've got a cleaning product at home that are gonna help me clean them. So this is currently what they look like. I don't think I thought this through.
You're not well. This is how you spell Travis Scott. G-F.
All around me are familiar faces.
Do you understand how uncomfortable this is? I have barbecue sauce, mustard, gravel, soil, spaghetti hoops, all like down the side of, oh, that's what the pocket's for, look. Put some spaghetti hoops in there, look. For later, look. Put some spaghetti hoops in there. Look, nice. Yeah, there you go, for later, look. Close it up. Okay guys, so the shoes are completely destroyed, as you can tell. They're not in a great condition right now, but what we're gonna go and do right now is we're gonna go to the store, and this is not a sponsored video at all. I'm gonna go and get some Crep Protect or some Jason Mark or whatever they have in the store. I'm gonna take these home and do my very, very best to try and clean them up and make them look like my dead stock pair that I have at home. So we're gonna do a before. This is the before.
I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time.
Holy shit, I can't believe I just did this to my shoes.
You are a moron.
And then we're gonna do an after. So yeah guys, this is probably the most stupid thing I've done for YouTube so far. So please, please smash a like on this video. Let's try to get 5,000 likes. If you haven't dropped a like yet, then I don't like you. So can you please just drop a like, because just look at my crepes. Just look. 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 And also, please subscribe to the channel. We are so close to 200,000 subscribers. So if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe right now. I cannot believe I'm doing this right now with these filthy hands. My dad, who is behind the camera, also has filthy hands, getting my camera absolutely destroyed. Anyway, let's go back home and let's clean up these shoes, and hopefully I can get them back to as close as dead stock as possible. I'll see you at home. I forgot I actually had to take these off. Okay, so I've put the shoes in boiling hot water. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the store, buy 1 pack of Jason Mark, buy 1 pack of Crep Cure, come back home, clean each shoe, see which one does better, and yeah, let's go to the store. Let's get it. These are in the absolute worst way, but let's go.
Time after time with the I've been roll out of line like I don't read the signs.
Okay guys, so I'm going into JD right now just so I can get like a Crep Cure. See, right here. Crep Cure, gonna buy one of these. They're like £10 or whatever. Might as well buy a Crep Protect spray as well.
When you find out when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right.
Okay, so I just brought the Crep Protect and now I'm going to another store which is like slightly different, less like trainers and stuff like that, but they sell Jason Mark, and so basically I'm gonna go get Jason Mark, get the Crep Protect, and then we're gonna go back home.
When it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call my one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down.
Okay guys, so we are now back home. The Jordans have been soaking in this water ever since I've been gone, so they've been in here a couple hours. Now, we have got a Jason Mark cleaning kit, and we have a Crep Protect cleaning kit. So, we really need to go to work on these shoes. Now, the mustard has like, the yellow mustard has like burnt into the shoe, and it's like so yellow. It's made the sole go all yellow, the leather's like going yellow. So hopefully, like seriously, hopefully I can get it out and I haven't ruined my Travis Scotts. But what I'm gonna do right now is do my very best to clean these things. As I said before, we're gonna be cleaning 1 shoe with Crep Protect and 1 shoe with Jason Mark. Now I think they were around the same price. Actually no, this was £10 and this was £15. So let's see which one is gonna come out on top, and let's see if we can revive my Travis Scott Jordan 1.
I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time.
Okay, so I've got the shoelaces, and what I'm gonna do with the shoelaces, because they're gonna be super tough to clean, I'm gonna put them in a pillowcase, and I'm gonna put the pillowcase in the washing machine. So hopefully that brings the shoelaces back to life, and then we can start on attempting to clean these shoes. Jason Mark cleaner, we're gonna do the right shoe with the Jason Mark. So the Jason Mark comes with this tiny little thing, Jason Mark premium shoe cleaner, and a little, basically just a little plastic brush. So let's go ahead and, well, clean the right shoe with the Jason Mark.
Boy ain't looking at the clock. Stepped up in the game like rock. Ball boy with the hook, can't stop. Like the dread on my head, stay locked. Look, always, no island. Stay fly, no
My heart is really starting to hurt at this point. The mustard has just stained the leather everywhere. Stained the front, stained the sole, stained the inside of the shoe, stained the outside. These cleaning products really have finessed me. Look, all there on the sole stained, all there stained. The front toe box, I don't know if you can really see it, but stained, that is bad. My hopes are being shattered. Okay guys, so we are going with the Crep Cure kit, so you get a little towel in there. Premium brush, and kind of pretty much a similar little tube, the ultimate shoe cleaner. Oh my god, I literally feel sick. Bust some Crep Protect on there, foam it up.
Best of us come with complacency issues, and then the chosen and high cause replacing on pick of the tissues. They're thinking and crying and laughing and ain't for the miss you. I've been up like all night, working on the crab cause the sucker don't bar right.
1 eternity later.
Honestly guys, they're all stained, the mustard stained everywhere, all on the inside. Oh my god, I really have just destroyed a £1,200 pair of shoes. I'm low-key really annoyed, so I'm just gonna go to bed, pretend like it never happened, and I'll see you. Okay guys, so bear with me, it is 3:45 a.m. and me, Callum and Natalie, we are going to Amsterdam. We're going on a quick weekend trip to Amsterdam. Well, these Travis Scotts are really not in the best condition possible. They're still pretty much destroyed. Neither product could really get all the stuff that I completely destroyed them without. But if I was gonna say which one was better, I would probably go with the Crepe Cure, purely just because of the actual brush itself. Like the Jason Mark brush, I put them under here. The Jason Mark brush was like, the bristles were kind of like really hard and they would probably like scratch up the suede, whereas the Crepe Protect ones are like really soft, and also it's just a bigger brush. With this one it's like tiny and you can't really do much with it. And the Crepe Protect Cure comes in like a nice little kit, comes with a cloth, which the Jason Mark doesn't actually come with a cloth. So if I was to go with Jason Mark or Crepe Protect, I would probably go with Crepe Protect. That is your answer, because the solution itself, like the actual whatever's in that bottle, I would say is actually pretty similar. Not these Travis Scotts. Two brand new pairs of Travis Scott Jordans. My giveaway with Stadium Goods. I don't have my laptop on me right now. It is in my suitcase. So what we will do is I will announce the giveaway winners when we get to Amsterdam. So, oh, and I completely destroyed these crabs. For your entertainment only, please subscribe and like the video. Now let's go to Amsterdam.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride.
Okay guys, so we are in Amsterdam right now, and as I said, I will be announcing the giveaway winner to my Stadium Goods giveaway at the end of this video. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. I was watching one of Blazendary's videos the other day and he announced the giveaway using this exact method. So he went onto YouTube, random comment picker. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Start raffle and pick winner. So it's basically just jumbling up all the comments that are on that video. And basically, here is winner number one. It is Junior Resun. Awesome video, man. I like the way you care about your girl. I'm a size 10 US and that is my Instagram. He left his Instagram, he followed all the rules, so he is winner number one. I'm gonna contact him. Waiting for the second winner, and boom, here is the second winner, Jasa Aduleila. I'm sorry, I just completely butchered your name. Anyway, he's left his Instagram, size 9 or 10, big fan bro, size 9 or 10, and you don't have to ship it that far. So I will contact you on Instagram. Anyway, that is the two giveaway winners for the Travis Scott Jordans. Massive shout out to Stadium Goods for providing the Jordans. Guys, I'm gonna message you both and basically we'll sort it out from there. That is the end of the video. That is the two giveaway winners from my Travis Scott Jordan giveaway with Stadium Goods. Massive shout out to Stadium Goods for actually providing us with the pairs to give away to you guys, the supporters. And also, we are nearly at 200,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe. Or if you just watch my videos and haven't subscribed, then subscribe right now. Click the little notifications thing. Please, can you smash a like on this video, because my Travis Scotts need some love because they're in the worst possible way. Anyway, it's been your boy Ari Petru, UK's biggest hypebeast. Follow me on Instagram at Ari Petru, and yeah, I'll see you next Sunday, 6 PM. Let's get it.